Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. If I look the same as I did in my Thanksgiving Day craft video, it's because it's the same day and I'm just recording both of these videos, and I am super excited to bring this video to you guys. A little bit about me and advent calendars is when I grew up, I didn't know anything about advent calendars. We never had any. I did see like the Netflix movie about advent calendars. I think they're super cool. I never had one. I never saw them in stores, but when I moved to Canada, I saw them at Dollarama, and me and my husband, we bought one with the little circle chocolates with the little imprints on them, and to be honest, they tasted really bad. Like, they literally just tasted like cardboard, and we would just tell each other, eat your cardboard candy. I got to the point where we would you take it like a pill or something, you know, you take it and then you just eat another piece of chocolate like really fast. That was like good chocolate, so you didn't have to taste it. So this year I was like, I want to buy a good advent calendar, but they're like really pricey, so I wanted to make my own. And plus, this is a crafting channel and I love to craft. It's seriously what I do like every single day, and I wanted to make a good one. I saw some good videos, like I really wanted to do one, but this is kind of a long story, but to make it short, I wanted to come up with something that I hadn't seen. So I think I've come up with a good idea for you guys, and I'm super excited to do it for you. And I'm actually going to make 3 advent calendars. I'm just going to show you how to make one, and then I'm going to show you my variations, because I wanted to make one for me and one for my husband so we can do it together. And yeah, I will know what's inside, but I mean, I'm probably gonna forget in which order I put everything, but I think it'll still be fun, because I don't think it's really, for me, it's not about like what's gonna be inside, but it's gonna be more like the experience that I have doing it with my husband. And actually gonna make one for my mom to send to the US to her. I think it'll be super fun, and I'm super excited to show you. So I'm just gonna get right into the video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe, because this helps me be able to expand my channel. And let's get started.
Hey everyone, so I started out with one of these card protector sheets, and you guys can get these like at Walmart, Dollarama, Amazon, hobby stores, so they're pretty affordable. I think they're $4 at Dollarama. And then I got this book of scrapbook paper at Michael's. I think it was 12 Canadian dollars, and you guys don't have to use Christmas scrapbooking paper. As you will see in the video, one of the patterns that I chose was just kind of a wood theme, so I actually used like a sticker, so that's a good idea. You could use construction paper and stickers. You could draw on each one. I'm just showing you all of the pages that were in the scrapbook because I thought they were really cute. At Dollarama or Walmart, or even like the dollar store in the US, you can get pretty cheap scrapbook paper, but like I said, obviously you don't have to. You can print out some. There's a lot of different avenues, so I chose some paper, and then I used this Pokemon card to kind of trace out my little cards. And you guys can put a piece of paper on the front and the back if you don't want people to look. For me, I didn't want to do that, but I'm gonna put like mainly hot cocoa and tea in my sleeves. And I learned pretty quickly that the hot cocoa didn't really fit into the sleeves. I had to actually like cut a little cut into the package, let out the air, and then retape it so it could fit. And the tea fit really perfectly. So if you guys don't want yours to be bulky, then I recommend only using tea, or even little like chocolates and stuff is fine, or stickers, or you're gonna see some different things that I use in this video. But if you guys don't mind it being bulky, obviously you can use the hot cocoa. Overall, I do like how it turned out. I think card protector sheets can really be flimsy, and you will see I tore a couple of mine. It actually got better like the more that I made them, because I did make 3 of these because I got used to it. But yeah, I did split a couple of seams and have to tape that. And overall, like I said, I do like how it turned out. I guess it's kind of one of those things where you live and you learn. So now I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of me packaging this, and then I will see you guys at the end. Also, if you've made it this far, put a Christmas tree emoji in the comments. I think that'll be super fun and festive. Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my video. So I did want to show you my final products. The one that I showed you in the video, I actually already sent to my mom. So I can't really show you that one, but I'll show you the other two. And to be honest, they're so similar to the one I made my mom. They actually have a little bit less than the ones I made my mom. So here they are. I bound them with some red ribbon that I had from my Thanksgiving craft. If you haven't seen that, we'll put that in the iCards above, and you can just flip to each page, and if you want, you can always put scrapbook paper on the other side so they can't see. I tried to turn all of mine around so they couldn't see what it was, and there's all of the pages. I just wrote them with a marker, and this one is for my husband, and you can tell I do have some chocolates. I put like a sticker so he couldn't see what it was, but on the last 2 days for open on Christmas, I'm gonna add some like chocolates and stuff. So I didn't put like ornaments and stickers like I did my mom. I don't think my husband's gonna appreciate it as much, though I'm sure he will appreciate the advent calendar. And I'm really excited to make these, or to do those with him. And I hope that you guys really like this craft. It was super fun for me to make, and I hope that you guys will make one as well. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on social media. All my accounts are down below. And I hope that you guys are all getting ready for Christmas, and I hope to see you in the next video. So thanks again, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. So bye!